Hello friends, we're going to do some leather repair, maybe. Now, this is only going to be dependent on whether or not we can match colors, Tori. And I just want to do this and maybe this just to try it, okay? But the color matching is going to be the problem.
Well, it's a kid hauler. It's not like we have to make it perfect.
No, I understand that, but, you know, when you're dealing with other people's vehicles, it's got to be, in their opinion, perfect.
Yeah.
Now, I have white, so it's just going to be a matter of, or even have cream. I have cream. So what makes gray? White and a little bit of black?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do some leather and vinyl repair. This is just a worn out pickup truck seat, but it gives me a good place to practice. But before we can even begin the repair, we have to come up with the proper, or at least get close, color mixture. So, watch us get started. So, where you at?
Right here. This is the page name of the different interior colors.
Pewter. Now I can see this being pewter. Pewter?
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure which.
Medium dark. So it's not the graphite, because the graphite is
Black.
it's pretty dark.
And
So the gray, here's the gray.
that number's not in the list right here. So
Okay, so this would probably be either pewter. I just can't see that being dark. Or gray. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do before her and I dig into color mixture, because it's not something I can do. I suck at it. I brought out some water with a little bit of dishwashing soap on it, because I really want all the oils and all of that off this area. And then we will give it time to dry while we are playing with color. Damn, why don't you detail this pickup? Alrighty. So this will take care of my work area. My work area is clean. Okay, you ready to start mixing paint?
no, but I said I would.
Okay. So in order to make gray, so here you go.
Come in. Here, take my mess. Oh, I thought you were saying I'd have to read. So what color you get? What color? Grandpa get?
What?
So what color did you and Grandpa end up with? Like that?
Yes. We had a cream colored interior on the first leather repair. It was on the steering wheel. It's vinyl repair is what it was. And we needed to have a cream color and mixed it according to this. Both of us did, me and my dad. And it came out orange. You have seen that on the video.
We need that.
You sure? For this?
One of the two of those.
For this?
Yeah, it's the same seat.
No.
Unless you want to go like a shade or two lighter because you have dirty the stains stitching.
But that's like purple and dark gray. This is like a light colored gray. This to me is more this.
Okay, well, I didn't see that.
Well, maybe. I don't know. Hell. Maybe we do need to go with that.
Match it to the set.
I don't know.
No, that looks too white.
It does look white, but how about this one? Now that one looks more.
Yeah. No, there's no way we're gonna make it with just black and white.
No.
There's no way we're gonna make it.
Or no. That looks too brown.
Maybe if it was brand new out of the factory.
This one? Was it this one or this one? I
Okay,
thought
how
this
about
one
one of
was
the-
too dark.
This one's too white, so it would be.
This one's too white.
Oh, is it that one?
Yes, this one looked like it matched more.
Okay, so it's either that one or that one.
Okay, so this one. So we need white and black.
And then maybe a couple drips of brown.
Maybe.
Or tan.
Maybe. I don't know. I guess you guys are seeing a brown I can't see. But if you think you can eyeball it,
I think I could. I'll still try
it. Okay. So I'm guessing we're gonna need quite a bit of white.
Quarter of the black amount, but brown. Does that make sense? And it needs like a suntan add to it.
It needs a suntan add to it. Well, we have brown. We have
It's burgundy.
burgundy, and we don't want that one. We have tan and walnut.
This one. You know, I'm wondering if it's not that cream that will do it.
Oh, maybe. You want to put some cream in there?
Because we don't need a whole awful lot of tinting, I guess is what it's called. Oh, hey, where'd that come from?
I just put it there.
I never saw that come out. Alright. Ooh, my bad.
God.
Sorry. Ow. There's a pimple there. Jalapenos. I'm a millennial. That doesn't work.
I'm a millennial. So you want to go with that? This is pretty much dry now, but we need to hook up the heat gun.
It's getting there. I mean, I'm not.
So it is more of a brown than a gray. So do you want to put a little bit of brown? Like like the walnut?
Yeah, we try that. I'm afraid I'm going to lose the stick if I don't hold on to it. It was all here.
You're such a child.
I'm a boy, Mom. I'm allowed to act that way.
What did you say?
I'm a boy, Mom. I'm allowed to act that way. I put too much in. No. Maybe.
Just mix it up.
That's what I'm doing. Mix it a little better.
Yeah. Or you want a clean one?
I don't know if we can get any more out of this. Yeah. I want a clean one. I thought it was going to stick to me. It hit my shirt first. So a little bit of white, a little bit of black, a dab, maybe of the cream. And so for as much black as I use, we probably should use that much brown.
So what we should have probably done is done white with the brown and then added the black.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if you need to, use the cream to match if needed, if preferred.
I've covered up and it look how white it looks. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
It looks so white.
And it may have very well been a whole lot lighter of a material when it was new.
Maybe.
Wait.
I knew this was going to be a really hard section. Is it doing anything? I can't tell.
I don't know, I don't know if I'm starting to hallucinate, but it looks like this stitching is tightening up. Look at it moving.
That's sunk in.
Mm-hmm.
when we added the heat to it. So that's sunk in.
That was also a really big blemish spot.
Yeah, and there was just no way for me to smooth it out in this much. But obviously the color's not going to work. That's what I've been saying. These kids are ridiculous because these colors, they want you to mix on your own. And as soon as you mix it, it turns out like that. We did not mix a white. We mixed a gray. That was gray as can be. Gray. Silver. I'm thinking that we need to go with the cream and the black. Mix that up and try to finish. And see what kind of different shade we get. I think I got too much black. Actually, oh no, Tori, I might have hit the.
Would you just like do better than me?
No, I just made it really dark.
What colors did you put in so far? Black and what? Just cream? I said, is it just the black and cream you've done?
That's all it is. It's just the black and cream. So it's darker.
That's a lot
Ready?
closer.
We're doing it. Where's the spatula?
In the box.
We're doing it. Looky here. See, that's a heck of a lot closer.
Yeah, pretty good though. So you can pull that little side panel off and hold it next to it, because that's a cleaner piece.
Yeah, but those colors are different
Oh, the vinyl.
than the vinyl.
Okay. Well,
What do you think? Okay, now.
I think it does change colors just a little bit when it dries, because that's what it looks like now. From here, it looks got a little more.
Yeah, because this is definitely not.
It's got more of this color in it
So,
than
okay.
it did when you put it down.
Let's get the gun and see what it does when it's dry.
And how fast you make it dry could also contribute. Maybe.
It's not that hot. You want to do one more attempt?
You can try. Which spot?
Huh?
Which spot?
How about right here?
You try.
We'll just, because I've already got this section cleaned, so how about let's just try to fill that in a little bit, see what happens.
All right.
With a different mixture.
I think this one we can just, like the spatula, just kind of
Okay.
cake decorate it.
Okay, so cream, brown, and black. Just a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Is that enough?
Probably. Probably not.
Okay, so.
That's too dark. From here, that with my sunglasses on, that looks like it'd be more for your car.
For my car, yes. For that gray interior. No. So, add some white. Yeah.
No.
How is it that every time we add this shit stuff in here, we lose? Shouldn't you, the more you get in here, the more you should have? And we have less every time.
Excuse me.
Okay, so we're a lot lighter. Here goes. This color mixing is ridiculous.
You gotta think about some of these colors.
Look at that!
Huh? Maybe I didn't script the white after all.
Look at that! That is like almost perfect. Look at that. Now I have no choice but to use all this, so I'm using it.
Okay.
That almost looks perfect. How'd we do that? Oh!
You're not supposed to know, apparently. Just with you mixing the colors and then me accidentally adding a big blob of white back to it.
Uh-huh. Pretty much.
It's that secret ingredient.
What's the secret ingredient?
Me in control of the white. Trying to lighten it up and it coming out way too fast. No, it didn't come out way too fast. It just kind of appeared.
Look at that. That looks so much closer.
See, this is something I wouldn't be able to do. You've kept it. You've actually kept to the popsicle stick and stuff. Me, I would get sick of using it and just like.
I actually thought about doing that because I want it smoother.
Get the first aid kit, freaking finger covers. Oh, that's what that's for. Okay. Hey, look, why don't you just like, not necessarily perfect the color, but
Look at that.
get good at it a little.
Well, that's why I'm practicing, Tori.
I'm saying practice the color. See how you'll never get the same every time, but because you've got to filling it in. Now come back this way and see if you can start smearing it this way. Smearing it, I mean spreading. Just don't spread too thin.
Look at that. That color almost identically matches. Third attempt.
Third time's a charm.
We mixed. What did we mix?
Black and cream.
Black, cream,
Walnut.
walnut, and then added white.
I think it does shrink a little. Yeah, that kind of looks cool. Like just the way it looks with the.
It gave it its texture, to be honest.
It's like a boot.
Oh, we have some spots that are not done.
Yeah.
If that were a little more brown, it'd be darn near perfect. Okay, so we have test spot number 1. Obviously, that color didn't work. Test spot number 2, that did not work. This one could potentially work.
A little bit
But it needs a little more brown. But it's darn near right there. Okay, so that is my attempt with some help to mix some colors. Obviously, you see that the third time's a charm in some way. The first time, not a charm. Second time, definitely not a charm.
I think it just seems like this is more of the like higher level more time consuming type of repair.
This is just a complete, if you were to repair this, I would say go with that new vinyl that they have.
Yeah.
That's what I would go with. If you were going to genuinely go and repair it, I would say go with that. But I think we nailed the color for the most part. I mean,
yeah. I mean, if you can
because we're trying to look at it in the big picture. We're trying to look at it in the big picture, but
yeah.
Look.
That's what I'm saying, like just take
If you were to look at this right here, it looks the same.
Yeah.
See?
But there's got to be charts somewhere.
Well, find them and let me know where, because even then, you can find as many charts as you want, but if it's not specific to the product you're using, and obviously this product needs to be mixed using ounces, milliliters, something like that by weight.
Grams.
Huh?
Grams. Milligram. Milligram a gram.
Milligrams, maybe, who knows, but either way, it's got to be done by weight. So that kind of gives you an idea what I'm fighting against. That's why I struggle with it, because mixing those colors is damn near impossible. I'm sorry. To me, it's impossible.